Ever wondered which video recorder is the best for your CCTV setup? Today, we're going to break down DVRs, NVRs, and XVRs so you can finally understand their differences and pick the right one for your security system. Let's start with DVRs, or digital video recorders. DVRs are the traditional choice for analog CCTV cameras and have been around for decades. They're reliable, affordable, and great for small homes or offices that don't need ultra-high resolution or advanced features. DVRs use coaxial cables to transmit video, which limits the resolution you can get compared to modern IP cameras, and they usually don't support AI-based features like motion analytics or facial recognition. Still, for basic recording and playback, a DVR can be a solid choice. Next, we have NVRs, or network video recorders, which are designed specifically for IP cameras. Unlike DVRs, NVRs transmit video over network cables, allowing much higher resolutions, clearer video, and more advanced capabilities. With an NVR, you can access your cameras remotely, set up intelligent alerts, and even integrate your system with smart devices or cloud storage. NVRs are scalable, making them ideal for growing businesses or anyone looking for a future-ready security setup. But what if you already have some analog cameras and want to upgrade without replacing everything? This is where XVRs, or hybrid recorders, come in. XVRs can handle both analog and IP cameras on the same system, giving you maximum flexibility. You can keep your old cameras, add new IP cameras, and enjoy advanced features like remote viewing and AI detection without buying a completely new setup. So how do you choose the right recorder? It really depends on your needs. If you're on a tight budget and only need basic surveillance, a DVR is enough. If you want high-quality video, smart features, and long-term scalability, go for an NVR. And if you want a mix of both worlds, XVRs are the ultimate flexible solution. To make it even clearer, DVRs are like your reliable old sedan, simple, functional, and cost-effective. NVRs are like a high-tech electric car, fast, smart, and future-ready. And XVRs? They're the hybrid that gives you options without compromise. In the end, choosing the right recorder is about balancing cost, features, and future needs. By understanding each type, you'll make a smart investment that keeps your property secure and gives you peace of mind. So, whether you're upgrading your old system or building a new one from scratch, knowing the strengths and limitations of DVRs, NVRs, and XVRs will ensure you get the best value, performance, and flexibility for your security system.